So another fascinating thing we've learned from neuroscience is that many autistic brains have exquisite ability to hone into details. Some researchers say this has to do with more short-range connections in the brain, and at the same time, there can be fewer long-range connections in brain networks. And that can make it harder to integrate and synthesize different types of information, which is a skill needed to see the big picture. And that's why your child might focus on the letters of a word instead of the whole word or whole sentence, or on just a wheel instead of the whole toy truck. They may notice a tiny sound or texture you'd never notice, but might miss the overall context of what's happening. Now, the same thing can happen with faces. Many autistic people focus on just one or a few features of the face, like the eyebrows or mouth, rather than the whole face, which can make it harder to recognize people or to read emotions from faces. It's not a lack of empathy, it's just a different wiring pattern in the brain. And knowing that helps us meet them where they are. Therapy should aim to strengthen long-range connections, teaching how to connect details into wholes. And that means working on planning, summarizing, and seeing the gist of something. It could be a story, an event, an activity, a game, a place, or something like even a piece of equipment or a machine that has a lot of component parts, but that serves a bigger purpose. Understanding how all the details fit together and why. So at home, you can do the same. Show the whole first. Like, for example, we're making spaghetti start to finish. Then break it into steps and rebuild it again. Or you could pick a project like planting a garden and together work through the component steps from choosing the seeds, planting them, watering, picking the fruits or vegetables, using them to cook, giving them to friends, even understanding the bigger picture of how food is produced, even how it gets to people. This part-to-whole practice strengthens those longer-range brain networks.